the complete setup of WhatsApp Cloud API step by step. Hi everyone, this is Mohsin Ilyas, and in this tutorial I'll guide you and I'll show you in my computer screen how you can set up a complete WhatsApp Cloud API step by step. After watching this tutorial you will be able to set up a complete WhatsApp Cloud API. So first of all, I would like to say you that what is API. API application programming interface. Main difference between the previous API and the cloud API is that if you have a running online business on WhatsApp, whenever a customer wants to order something through WhatsApp, you have to contact through a WhatsApp. You have sent the order to customer. But in the cloud API, the scenario will be changed. Your order will be handled by the cloud and you don't need to send message to your customer. So it's a very helpful for your business. So I am going to show you how you can set up a complete WhatsApp Cloud API. So first of all, we are going to the computer screen and to the developers mode of facebook.com. So developers mode of facebook.com. So let's wait and click on my apps. After that, clicks on my apps. Here I also generate a dummy cloud WhatsApp API. So first I delete this. Actually it's an app, so I remove this app. I enter the password. So let's wait. Okay, so there is no app. So first of all we will create a new app. We click on create app, click on business, click next. You can give the name of your business. Let's suppose I write business, create app. So he wants to Facebook ID password, so I enter my password. Okay, then submit. You see here the details ticked. Okay, now after that you can click on WhatsApp setup. Continue. Okay, outgoing failure. So here an error occurred that you are not longer allowed to use Facebook product to advertise. You can't run ads, manage advertising assets, or create new ad or business account. Okay, because it's my personal profile and I don't have my business account, so that's why it's giving error. In the next video I'll guide you how you can create this by business profile or by business. So in the next video I'll guide you. Okay, if you know this video is helpful for you and informative, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel as well as like this video, share this video and press the bell icon for my next upcoming video. Take care. Thank you.